Say, Selenium Class 8, Java Tutorial 1, Java Environment Setup, next Java Program Structure. In this session, we are going to discuss three topics. First topic, Java Environment Setup. Java Environment Setup and write first Java program. And write first Java program. Next, Java syntax rules. Java syntax. Next, Java program structure. Java program structure. Okay. Say first I am taking Java environment setup and write first Java program in order to verify the environment. Say first steps. Download Java software. It is freeware, open source. Download Java software and install. Download Java software and install. Next, set. This is optional step. Second step is optional step. For our test automation, the second step is not required. This step is for executing Java program from command line prompt. See, in our test automation, we don't execute our programs from command line. We use Eclipse IDE, but that is basic. Just I will show that concept, then you can get more clarity. See, set environment variable. Set environment variable path. That variable also path variable. Variable name path. Why setting environment variable? Path variable. If for executing Java programs from any directory. Next, download Eclipse IDE and extract. No need to install, just extract. You can get Eclipse IDE launcher. By clicking on that file, you can launch Eclipse IDE. See here, install JDK, Java Development Kit. It has Java command, Java compiler command. See, these are the three steps. Say download Java. Say note, download Java from either java.com, or oracle.com. See, Java developed by Sun Microsystem. Now it is subsidiary of Oracle Corporation. And install. Next, after installation, you can get Java folder in C program files. Program files. Okay. First observe Santosh.
Yes, sir.
First download Java. Say, follow the navigation. Suppose Java download. Here, either java.com or oracle.com. Suppose oracle.com. Here, Java platform, JDK, Java Development Kit. Download image is there. Image link. Click this image link. Here, accept license agreement. Next, here select Java software based on your operating environment. See here Linux, Solaris, Windows x86, Windows 64-bit. See mine is Windows 32-bit. For that Windows x86. Click this executable file link, this text link. Next save to hard disk. I already downloaded. After downloading, just click on that executable file, then it will install. After installation, you can get Java folder in program files directory. Open my computer, see program files, Java. Observe this Java. Okay, na Santosh?
Yes, sir.
Next, set environment variable path. Already I told, for our test automation, the second step is not required. We use Eclipse IDE for writing and executing Java programs. If you want to execute Java programs from command line prompt, then follow this navigation. This is basic concept. Try to understand. Set environment variable path. Set environment variable path. First, I will explain the navigation. Then we will set navigation. Observe Madhavi, navigation. Then you have to guide me. First, select my computer and right click. Next step, properties. Next, advanced system settings. Next, environment variables. Next, select path variable from system variables. We have two types of environment variables. System variables, user variables. Select path variable. From system variables. If you don't find path variable, then you can create path variable, no issue. If already there, select that variable. and edit. Next, copy Java bin directory. First, copy Java bin directory. Bin directory path, not bin directory, path, and paste in variable value field. Next, okay, 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 close. See, this is the navigation. Observe. Guide me, Madhavi. Set environment variable path. Before that, you copy Java bin directory path. Computer, C drive, program files, Java, JDK, bin. You take this path from address bar, Windows Explorer address bar. Next, continue the navigation, main navigation. Madhavi.
Yes, sir. Select my computer.
Select my computer.
And right click on it. Properties. Advanced system settings.
Left side top.
Yeah.
Top to bottom. Advanced system settings. Environment variable. Observe right side bottom. Environment variables.
Yeah.
Next here two types. User variables. Next system variables. Second half system variables. In system variables pane, you select path variable. Edit. Paste our JDK bin directory path. Okay. Okay. Close my computer. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Observe. Write first Java program. Write and execute a Java program, a sample Java program from command prompt. Okay. See, we'll discuss two examples to verify the environment. First one, write and execute Java program from command prompt. Next, our area, write and execute a sample Java program using Eclipse IDE. Integrated Development Environment. Okay, first I am taking command prompt. Say, to write and execute any computer program, we have three steps. First step, write a program in any supported editor. For writing computer programs, editor required. For example, Notepad is editor. Eclipse IDE having editor required in order to type statements. Write a program in any supported editor. Next, compile the program. Next, run or execute the program. Say, step 1, write a program in any editor. See, in our scenario, notepad. Okay. Next, step 2, compile the program. See, these are common steps for any computer program. Compile the program. Next, run or execute. Run or execute the program. Synonyms. Run or execute the program. See, for programming languages, C, C++, Java, etc. 3 steps. Write a program, compile the program, run the program. For scripting languages like VB script, JavaScript, Perl script, Python script, only 2 steps. Write a program and run the program. Compilation optional. While running the program or while executing the program, they automatically compile and run. See, scripting languages are lightweight languages. They automatically compile and run while executing the program. Okay. Next, compilation. What is compilation? Have any idea, Praveen Rao? Compilation. What is compilation? Praveen Rao.
Yes, sir.
What is compilation? Very fundamental.
The program is converting into like computer system language, like
Pardon?
binary. The program, the instructions can be converted into computer language like binary, 0, 1.
Okay. See some less clarity. Observe. Converting high level language into mission level language. Mission level language is binary language, zeros and ones. Converting high level language into mission level language, mission understandable language. Suppose in our programs, you take any program, C, C++, Java, any program, we use English words, if, for, while, etc. Computer can't understand English words. Computer point of view, English is high level language. See, this compiler converts high level language into mission level language. See, compilation, converting high level language into mission level language. Okay now, Santosh, are you following?
Sir.
Okay. See, one person with no name. Who is that person? Not Madhavi, Praveen Rao, Prithvipal, Santosh, Suleiman and Sridevi. One more person is there. Who is that person? Hello? You try to enter the names. Who is that person? Okay. Say, first step, write a program. Observe Sridevi. Step
Yes, sir.
1. First step 1. What is the step 1? Write a program in any editor. Launch Notepad. simple editor, but it won't provide syntax guidance. If it is Eclipse IDE, that provides syntax guidance. This is Notepad is plain editor. Write a program, suppose public class sample. Class name is sample. Open curly braces, close curly braces. Next, in between this open and close curly braces, first write main method. Program execution, Java program execution starts from main method. Suppose you don't focus on this syntax, I will explain syntax in Java program structure topic. Public static void main open parenthesis string open and close square brackets args close parenthesis open curly braces close curly braces. Next, write any statement or step. Suppose one display statement system dot out dot println of within double quotes of means open brackets hello selenium world semicolon. Every normal statement should end with semicolon. Okay, over. This is one simple Java program. Next, save with Java extension. Save as Java file name sample. Observe, class name and file name should be same. If you use another name, that is error. See, class name should match with file name should match with class name. See, sample dot Java. Save. Close the editor. You can delete this one. See, sample dot Java. Can you view this file, Santosh? On desktop, sample dot Java.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, first step over. Just a minute. Edit. You copy this one. First step. This is sample Java program. Next, note, save with Java extension. Okay. Next, second step. Compile the program. See, in Eclipse IDE, no compilation required. If you run the program, it will compile automatically. But in command prompt, you need to follow the steps manually. Say, first launch command prompt, launch command prompt, Next, change Java program file directory, change to Java program file directory Next, type Java compiler. This is Java command. Next, program name .java. Next, after compilation, it creates Java class file. Then you can execute that Java class file. Just a minute, how to verify Java environment? See, we installed Java. After that, you can get Java folder in C drive program files. Okay. Verify that one. Launch command prompt. Type Java. Observe, it is providing details. Type Java C Java compiler. These are Java commands. It is providing details. Suppose if you don't install Java, it will show error. Okay. What is our steps? First, launch command prompt. Then guide me, Santosh. First, launch command prompt. Next,
Type
first change directory to Java program file
Java.
directory. Suppose Java program file available on desktop na.
Yeah.
You change to desktop. CD desktop. The CD is DOS command. Okay. Now check that directory. Observe sample.java available. Okay. Okay. Next, type Java C. This is Java command. Next, continue, Santosh. Program name .java. What is our program name?
Sample.java.
Sample.java. It won't provide output, just compiling. It will create Java class file. Then you can execute that Java class file. Over. Observe, open directory. This time sample. Observe sample.class created now.
Yeah.
Sample. Just a minute. dir. Observe files right side. Sample.class. Next sample.java. Okay. This is second step. Compiling Java program. Next, third step. Okay, put mute. Third step. Run or execute Java program. Observe, Prithvipal. Run or execute Java program. First, launch command prompt. Next, type Java, small letters. Type Java. Next, program file name, extension not required. Program file name. Then it displays output on the console. It displays output on the console. Okay. Type Java, Java. Next, program name, sample, no extension. Just enter. Observe Pradvipal, it is providing output now.
Yes, sir.
Java, sample, hello Selenium world. Next, edit Java program. See, open the editor, open the file, open, just a minute. This one, sample.java. Open or edit. Suppose I am adding one more statement. Suppose hello Java world. Save. Okay. Next, run the program. Java sample. Enter. Why it is showing old output, previous output only? Pradvipal, we edit that program now, but
Yes,
it's
sir.
not showing two outputs, only single output, previous output only. What is the problem? See, whenever you edit the program, again you need to compile. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Again compile. How to compile? Java next sample. Java, how to compile? Dot Java. Okay. Next, run the program. Java. Next, file name sample. Now observe, it is showing two outputs. Selenium, hello Selenium world, hello Java world. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Madhavi, okay, now? Writing and executing Java programs from command prompt. Any confusion or any queries?
No, sir, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Next, come to mainstream. Actually, in our test automation, we don't use this command prompt. We use Eclipse IDE only. Okay. For explaining that basic concept, I used command line prompt. Write and execute Java program using Eclipse IDE. Observe Sridevi, Eclipse IDE.
Yes, sir.
Eclipse IDE. It is also open source software. Open source. Anybody can download and use. Next, what is Eclipse IDE? Just a minute. Eclipse integrated development environment. Integrated development environment. Say Eclipse IDE. What is Eclipse IDE? It is a platform to write and execute computer programs like Java, Perl, Python, Ruby, PHP, etc. But our usage is writing and executing Java programs, but it also supports other computer programs also. It also supports other programming languages. Okay.
So does it support C Sharp?
Pardon?
Sir, Eclipse IDE it supports C Sharp as well? Or?
C Sharp, for C Sharp, other C Sharp .NET environment na.
Yes, sir. .NET. Okay.
See, you can use other editors. you check that one. Actually, it supports Java, Perl, Python, Ruby, PHP. C Sharp is different.
.NET. .NET, sir.
.NET technology. Okay, some flavors may support. I think for C Sharp, other editors available, other IDEs available. See, Eclipse IDE is a platform to write. You check it, Pradvipal, whether it is supports or
Yes, sir.
not. You check it.
Okay,
I
sir.
think for .NET environment, other IDE is available
Okay, sir.
to write and execute computer programs. Computer programs like Java, next Perl, Python, next Ruby, hypertext preprocessor, PHP, etc. Okay, na Sridevi? Eclipse IDE, main purpose of Eclipse IDE. What is the purpose of Eclipse IDE? Sridevi, why people are responding very slowly? So, Santosh, what is the purpose of Eclipse IDE?
It is used to write and execute
Computer
Java,
programs
Perl, Python,
like Java,
computer
Perl,
program.
Python, Ruby, PHP,
Okay.
etc. Okay, na? Next, our
Yeah.
usage is writing and executing Java programs. Okay, it provides, observe, it provides editor, editor for writing programs, editor for writing, writing programs. Next, syntax, syntax guidance, syntax guidance. Just a minute. Syntax guidance. Next, context help, context help, context help. Next, auto, automatic, auto compilation, etc. Next, Eclipse IDE is an open source software. Eclipse IDE. Okay, actually it is first point. Eclipse IDE is an open source software. Source code available on net, anybody can download and use. Next, see, this is about Eclipse IDE. Just a minute. About Eclipse IDE. Next, download Eclipse IDE. No need to install, and extract. See, it is zip folder. After downloading, just extract. See, steps 2, write execute Java program. Okay, before that, how to download? See, Eclipse download. See, eclipse.org. Eclipse.org. Just a minute. It is a very slow site. free site na. Just a minute. Okay. See, observe, Santosh. Here we have
Sure.
different flavors of Eclipse. You can download any one flavor. And right side, operating environments available: Windows 32-bit, Windows 64-bit, Mac, Linux, 32-bit, Linux 64-bit. See, select download link based on your operating environment, then download. I already downloaded. After downloaded, I extracted that one. See, this folder. After extraction, you can get this folder. Here, Eclipse launcher is there. You click this Eclipse launcher. Eclipse launcher. Okay.
Sir, I have a question. What
Ah,
is this workspace
for
that?
for storing resources na, we create
Okay.
some files na. We create program files.
Cla yeah, classes and all.
That program files will store na.
Okay.
For storing that programming resources, it will allocate workspace in hard disk.
Oh, okay.
Observe. First configure. First configure Eclipse IDE. Okay, before configure, I will show how to write Java program. Then we will configure that one. See, first steps to write and execute Java programs. First, launch Eclipse IDE. Eclipse IDE. Next, create Java project. It is one-time activity. Create a Java project. Create a Java project. Next, create Java package under Java project. See, one Java project may have one or more Java packages. You can create multiple Java packages also one by one. Next, create Java class or Java interface. What is Java interface? We will discuss in Java Oops chapter. Now forget about Java interface. Java interface under Java package. Just a minute. Here hierarchy is hierarchy. Java project, Java project. Next, Java package. Next, Java class. Or you can create, if required, you can create Java interface. See, this is the sequence. Okay. Create a Java program, create a Java program. First, observe the navigation. Praveen Rao. Praveen Rao, can you hear me? You are not responding. Praveen Rao.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Observe the navigation. File menu, new Java project. Suppose in some flavors of Eclipse, you may not find this Java project menu item. Then no problem. Go to other. Here type Java. Here select Java project and click next. Suppose in my Eclipse IDE Java project item available. If not available, go to other. Okay, Java project. Here enter project name. Suppose Selenium testing. Finish. Okay, project created. Next, create Java package. Select Java project and right click new package. Suppose package is ABCD. Finish. Next, create Java class. Select Java package and right click new class. Suppose class name sample. See here you can generate a main method, otherwise you can type main method. Suppose generate main method. Okay. See here it is showing small letters fonts. Okay, we will configure. Before that, write the program. Say system dot, just a minute. See, it is providing context help. Observe Sridevi. Can you view this context menu?
Yes, sir, I can see, sir.
This is context help. Next, syntax guidance also. Println. Suppose hello Selenium. Hello Selenium world. See, I'm writing same program. Next, run this one here. In this toolbar, run option available. Otherwise, go to run menu, run menu, run. Otherwise, here toolbar option available. Click this one. No need to compile, auto compilation. Okay. Say it is providing hello Selenium world in Eclipse IDE console. Earlier, that is operating system console. This time Eclipse IDE console. Okay, here also small letters. If you want to increase the font size, just configure Eclipse IDE. Observe Sridevi. Configure Eclipse IDE. Go to window menu, window, next preferences, next general. You select this general, appearances, just a minute, colors and fonts, See, first Java editor, edit, suppose it is showing 10 font size, you can change the font style also. Suppose leave the font style size 10 to 18. Okay. Apply. Next, console font size. See, default size is 10. I want 18. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now increase it now.
Yes, sir.
Just run the program. See, console font size also increased. Just a minute. window menu, preferences. Just a minute. Suppose restore defaults. Okay. Now guide me, Sridevi, how to configure Eclipse IDE.
Okay. First, we have to go to Java programs.
Window
Okay,
menu.
configure. Yeah,
Window menu
sir.
in Eclipse IDE. Window menu.
Window menu and go to preferences.
Preferences.
And
General. Appearance. Colors
From
and
there we
fonts.
have to select colors and fonts.
Here first, I'm selecting this console font. Edit. Okay. You select the size and font style. Okay. Next.
Apply.
Java. In this Java editor, edit. Here select the font size. Okay. Apply. Okay.
Okay.
Why it is not default size? Just a minute. Window.
We did not change.
Preferences. Restore defaults. Okay. Apply. Now observe in the editor defaults now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, I want 18. Apply. Okay. Okay. Just a minute. All of you put mute. Sample Java program. Okay. How to edit Java program? You just add, suppose closed. How to edit? Save. See, launch Eclipse IDE. Next, collapse the Selenium testing project. Collapse Java project. Next, select your Java class. Next, edit. Suppose I am adding one more statement. Hello Java world. Just run. No need to compile. Just run. Oh, default na this one. Just a minute. Windows, preferences, console, edit, 18. Okay. Apply. Okay. Run the program. Hello Selenium world. Hello Java world. See, save also automatic save. Otherwise, you can save it. Auto save. Okay. This is about writing and executing Java programs using Eclipse IDE. Okay, now, Madhavi, any queries?
No, sir, I'm good. Thank you.
Welcome. What about you, Pradvipal Singh?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. Suleiman, are you following?
Yes, I do.
Okay, cool, Suleiman. Cool. Next, come to see. I didn't copy that one. Okay. Just a minute. Hello Java world. Okay. Say first topic in this session, in this chapter. First topic over. What is the first topic? Java environment setup and verify the environment. See, by writing and executing a sample Java program, we already verified. Okay. Next, second one, Java syntax rules. Java syntax. Java syntax. Observe Praveen Rao, Java syntax rules. Say, can you tell me, Prajipal, Java syntax rules?
Yes, sir.
If you know, just tell me.
So Java is object-oriented language.
Okay. Object-oriented language, that is quality of Java, not Java syntax rule.
Always, sir, Java program execute from the main class.
Okay. Java program execution starts from main method. Okay, that is one syntax rule. Okay, first one, Java. Java is a case sensitive language. Java
Yes,
is
sir.
a case sensitive language. What is the meaning, Madhavi? Java is a case sensitive language. Means?
Upper and smaller case matters when you write a program, sir.
Yes. Say there is a difference between upper and lower case values. See, in terms of variable names, all Java keywords are case sensitive. All Java keywords are case sensitive. Variable names, method names, next condition, this one, operator names, all Java keywords are case sensitive. Small letters. Okay, but message is not sensitive. A message is also sensitive. You can use uppercase or lowercase. For example, variable name. Variable name you can use uppercase or lowercase. But difference is there. Small letter is different. Next, uppercase value is different. But you can use uppercase value also. Observe, just a minute. Where is the Eclipse IDE? All Java keywords, reserved words, keywords means reserved words, are case sensitive. Observe here, package is keyword, public is keyword, class is keyword. Next, out is, just a minute, here system, uppercase value, this is predefined class, it's not Java keyword. Next, hello Selenium world, it is message. Here string is object. Main is method. Observe, just a minute. Before this one, int a equal to 10. Int a equal to 10. Observe, Pradipal, int is data type, it is Java keyword, small letter. Next, a is variable name, I used small letter. Okay, it is showing 10. Suppose capital A, we can use uppercase, na?
Yes, sir.
Uppercase also, but difference is there. Suppose if you try to use small letters for display, capital A, small a is not same, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But suppose if it is VB script, in VB script is not a case sensitive language. There is no difference between uppercase and lowercase values. Suppose declaration time you use capital letters, value assignment time you use small letters, displaying time you use capital letters. No issue in VB script. But Java is case sensitive language. Difference is there in between uppercase and lowercase values. But all Java keywords are lowercase values only. Getting this point, Sridevi? All Java keywords are lowercase values.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this is one syntax rule. Java is case sensitive. Next, first letter of class name should be in uppercase. First letter, first letter, first letter of Java class name. Java class name should be in uppercase. Should be in uppercase. See, after first letter, you can use small letters. Suppose first letter sample, SAMPLE. You can use after first letter, you can use sample. Next, suppose sample. It is incorrect. Next, first letter, capital letter, next sample. You can use numbers also. Suppose sample 2. This is also correct. Correct. Next, this one, correct usage. Next, suppose your class name is 2 words combination. Suppose Java examples. This one also correct. Next, Java E capital examples. This one also correct. Just a minute. Suppose Java sample example. Okay, rename compilation unit. Okay, it is accepting. Suppose all capital letters. Rename compilation unit accepting. Okay now. Sample. Okay. See, this is second another rule. Next, method names should start with lowercase letter. Java method names. Java method names should start with lowercase value. Lowercase value. Next, Java program file name should exactly match with class name. Java program file name should exactly match with class name. Next, say Java program execution starts from main method. It is predefined method. Java program execution starts from main method, which is mandatory in every Java program. Say, which is mandatory which is mandatory in every Java program. Java program. Next, every statement or step should end with semicolon. See, every statement, program statement, or you can say step or instruction, every statement or step should end with semicolon symbol. This one. See, for example, VB script. In VB script, no such type of formalities. Just you can write plain statements. Next, code blocks. See, code blocks. Code blocks means, suppose here normal statement. In the 6th rule, we discussed about normal statement. For example, system.out.println of something semicolon. That is a normal statement. Next, code blocks. What is code blocks? Example, code blocks enclosed with curly braces, conditions, loops, next, methods, user defined methods, etc. Code blocks enclosed with curly braces. See, these are the important Java syntax rules. Observe, Sridevi. What are the tell me Sridevi, what are the important
Sir.
Java syntax rules?
Java is it's a case sensitive language.
Yes.
First letter of Java class name should be in uppercase.
Good. Next.
Java method names should start with lowercase value.
Okay. After first letter, you can use uppercase or lowercase. Okay. Next.
Lowercase. Java program file name should exactly match with the class name.
Good. Next. 5th one.
Java program execution starts from main method, which is mandatory in every Java
program. Next, 6th one.
Every program statement step should end with semicolon.
Okay. Next.
Code blocks enclosed with curly braces, like for example, it is conditions,
loops, method declarations, etc. Okay, now, Santosh, are any queries?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's come to next topic in this chapter. Last topic for the day. Java program structure. Java program structure. See, first one, documentation section. Documentation section. It is optional. If you want to write documentation, you can write using comment syntax. What is the purpose of documentation? In order to explain the purpose of Java program, we use documentation section. It is not mandatory, optional only, but best practice. In this documentation section, write about the program. Next, package declaration statement. Package declaration statement. For example, our package is ABCD na package. Observe this one. This is package declaration statement. Just a minute. Package declaration statement. It will, if you choose package while creating the Java class, then it will generate that statement automatically. Next, import statements, one or more. Suppose if we are using any predefined libraries, then import. Say we import built-in and user defined also. Suppose we already defined some classes in another package or another class, another project. Say we defined some classes methods in another Java project. Now we want to use those classes in another or new Java project. You can import. See, import built-in and user-defined libraries. Following this concept, Pradvipal, you can import built-in. Built-in means
Yes, sir.
predefined classes.
Hmm.
You can
That is
import
defined.
predefined classes or user-defined classes also. Okay, na? Predefined
Yes, sir.
and user-defined, not R. Suppose in
Yes.
another Java project we have some classes that required for current project. You can import. Getting?
Yes, sir. You can
Okay.
say call the method, right, sir?
Not
Calling the
calling,
method or
just import. After
import.
importing, then you can use that classes in your program.
Okay.
Okay. Anyhow, in practical chapters, you will get more clarity. See, I think in Java quick tutorial chapter, we created scanner object now for reading input.
Yes, sir.
For that, we need to import that scanner class now. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I want to create scan object. Scanner for reading input using input devices equal to new scanner of system.in input stream. See, it is showing marking. Why?
Import.
It is not understandable. Scanner not available in this Java. Import that one. Observe, import
Sure.
scanner from java.util. Java is project, util is package. Import. Generated now this import statement.
Yes, sir.
Next, just a minute. This one, SO control space enter. Hello. This one also predefined. Observe, system.out.println. This is also predefined. But we no need to import. Why? It is built in. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Only some classes built in, some important classes. If they put all as built in, then load program execution will be very slow. That's why they imported, they made built in some important classes only. Remaining classes you have to import based on your program requirement. Suppose in my program scanner object required, then I can import scanner class. Suppose in another program I don't want scanner object, you no need to import. Getting?
Yes, sir.
See, this is importing based on your program requirement. Import built-in and user-defined libraries using import keyword. This is Java keyword or reserved word. Example. This is one example. Observe, Madhavi. Import is Java keyword space Java. What is this Java? Java is project. Java is, just a minute, I will write. Import. It is a Java keyword. Java keyword. Just a minute. Next, Java. It is project. Next, util. It is package. Next, scanner. It is class. Observe. Meaning of this statement is, selected statement is, importing scanner class from util package under Java project. Suppose I want to import all classes from util package. You no need to write multiple statements. Suppose import Java dot util, next dot star. What is the problem? What is the purpose? Imports all classes from util package. Okay na? Sridevi, are you following? Import statements?
Yes, sir.
One or more. Suppose if you don't want to import anything, no need to write import statements. Here in Eclipse IDE, you no need to write import statements. It will generate.
Okay.
Say, remove this one. If you are using scanner, scanner not available in, scanner is not built in. It is showing red marking. Suppose here quick fixes available. Say import scanner, it will import automatically.
Okay.
Okay, you no need to type, it will generate. Eclipse will generate if you select the quick fixes, anyone. Next, class declaration statement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Class declaration statement. Class declaration statement. Suppose public example. Public class sample, open curly braces, close curly braces. Here public, what is this public? Public is access modifier. See, it is public class. Access can be accessed everywhere. Next, class, Java keyword, class, Java keyword, or you can say reserved word to create Java class. Java class. Next, sample. See, it is class name. Class name. See, this is about fourth. Fifth one, main method. Main method. Okay. Here main method is there now. Main method. See, public. Public is access modifier. Access modifier. Next, static. Static is non-access modifier. See, modifiers in Java, two types. Access modifiers, non-access modifiers. Non-access modifier. What is the purpose of the static keyword? See, usually whenever you want to call methods, object is required. Object is required. Object means instance of the class. Object is required for calling methods. But without object also we can call methods. For that we need to use static keyword. Say, if we use static, without invoking the object we can call methods. Say, use main method purpose in this scenario. Purpose of static keyword in this scenario. Use main method without invoking object. Okay. Next, void. Void returns nothing. Say, we have two types of user defined methods or predefined methods. Method with returning value. Next, method without returning value. This main method is predefined method. It won't return any value. Program execution starts from main method. That is the functionality of main method. It starts the Java program execution, but it won't return any value. See, returns nothing. Void keyword. Purpose of void keyword, returns nothing. Next, main. It is method name. Predefined method name. Next, string, square brackets, args. See, in our Selenium testing we don't use this one. Just observe. Is the parameter to the main method. See, usage we will discuss in practical chapter. Just remember, is the parameter to the main method. See, observe Sridevi, program execution starts from main method. If you don't write
Yes, sir.
main method, then program won't be executed. Next, observe this one. Try to understand the main method syntax. Public. What is this public? Try to identify the keyword. What is this public?
Access modifier.
Access modifier. What is this static?
Non-access modifier.
Non-access modifier. See, purpose. Without object, we can use main method. Next, void. Keyword. Just Java keyword. It is not modifier. What is the purpose?
It does not, it does not return any.
Yes, it returns nothing.
Anywhere.
Next, main method. Main. What is this main? Method
It's a
name.
method name.
Method name. Okay, now. Next.
Sir.
Just a minute. Next. Sixth one. Declarations. Declarations. We declare variables and constants. We declare variables and constants. Say variables and constants both are same in purpose. Purpose is holding the data, but difference is there. Say common feature is holding the data. Difference is variable values may vary, but constants never change. But both are for holding the data only. For example, if it is variable int a semicolon, next a equal to 10, next after some time, after some statement, if you want another value a equal to 20, you can change the value. Say up to this statement a value 10, the statement onwards a value 20. Yes, it will allow. Suppose if it is constant, we use final modifier. This is non-access modifier. Final int a. Suppose here value 10. Final int a. Suppose after some statements, if you try to change a equal to some 20, it won't allow. Syntax error. This value is fixed 10 only, and we have to assign the value at the time of declaration only. Find the difference between variables and constants. Pradvipal.
Yes, sir.
One similarity is there, one difference is there. Similarity, both are for holding the data. Difference, variable values may vary throughout the execution, but constant values never change. Okay, na?
So a is equal to 10.
Pardon?
So next, so second example is the constant variable value.
Variable?
Yes, sir. Final second example. Sir.
Suppose observe, just change the value b. Don't confuse. Second example.
For a variable value.
It is not variable, it is constant. Final. We used final modifier, non-access modifier. Constant means value fixed. For entire program, value is fixed. What is the problem? Your voice is breaking. I'm not getting your query. Tell me once again.
Yes, sir. So we have to use final, sir. Once you use final, it means we can't change value.
Yes, we can't change the value, fixed value for entire program.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
If it is variable, For some part of the code, you can use one value. Remaining part of the code, you can use another value, or you can use same value for entire program. Means variable values may vary, but that is not mandatory. But constant values won't vary.
Okay, sir.
See, next, normal statements. Seventh one, normal statements. Normal statements. Suppose D equal to A plus B. Next, system dot out dot println of D. These are normal statements. Should end with semicolon. Next, code blocks. Code blocks enclosed with enclosed with curly braces. Here, different code blocks. Condition blocks. Condition blocks. Next, loop blocks. Loop blocks. Next, method blocks. Method blocks, etc. See, this is the basic structure of Java program. Basic structure of Java program. See here, note already we discussed, every normal statement should end with semicolon, semicolon. This is the symbol. Next, every code block should enclosed with curly braces. Curly braces. Okay. See, I will show one sample Java program. A sample Java program. Before that, tell me, Santosh, Java program structure. We discussed 8 points.
First one is program description.
Documentation section.
Documentation section.
Try to use standard names. Documentation section. Next.
Declaration package.
Package declaration statement. Package declaration. Next.
Third one is import statements.
Import statements. Next. Fourth one
is main method declaration.
Class declaration statement. Before main method, class declaration statement. Next, fifth one.
Main method.
Sixth one.
Declaration of variables and constants.
Declarations. Next, seventh one. Normal statements. Then next, last one.
Loop state.
One small change in eighth one. Code blocks, condition blocks, loop blocks, etc. Not method blocks. Just a minute. One small change. condition blocks, loop blocks, etc. See, usually we declare methods, not usually, it is a rule before main method. Observe Prithvipal, before main method, if required, it is not mandatory. If you want to create user defined function, then method declarations. User defined. Next, method callings. Method calls. Here you can call methods. Observe, in normal statements, you can call methods. Method calls. In conditional blocks also, you can call, in loop blocks also, method calls. Method calls. Understand the concept, Prithvipal? Where we declare
Yes, sir.
methods in Java program?
Before main method, sir.
Where we call Java methods? After main method.
After main methods.
After main method. In normal statements or in code blocks also you can call. Okay na?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay na, Santosh?
Sir.
Okay. I will show one small Java program. Last example for the day. Observe. Last concept for the day. See. Selenium. New. Suppose class. Suppose Java sample. See, before this package, just documentation section. It is a sample. It is a sample program to understand Java program structure and syntax. So you can write any meaningful documentation. Next, just a minute. Tomorrow I will explain lengthy program. Today, simple program. Okay. Simple program. Suppose variable declaration int a comma b semicolon. You can declare multiple variables in a statement by separating with commas. A equal to 10, b equal to 20 semicolon. See, in the declaration statement only you can assign values, otherwise in another statement you can assign. Suppose system dot out dot println print line message optional addition of a comma b is concatenate plus sign a plus b. These are normal statements. Run the program. Addition of A comma B is 30. Next one, condition block. If int suppose, just a minute, already there na. If A greater than B, if A greater than B, open curly braces, suppose normal statement, A is a big number. A is a big number. Closed, that block closed. Another block, else. This is another block in the same structure. Else, suppose B is a big number. Say A value 10, B value 20. A greater than B is the condition. Condition is false. Then it will execute else part. Suppose A 100, B 20, then condition is true. It will execute A is a big number. Just a minute. A is a big number. This is condition block. Next one, loop block. For int I semicolon I less than or equal to, suppose some 5 semicolon I plus plus. See int I, next starting ending, int I equal to 1. This is starting value 1. Next end value 5, maximum 5. Open curly braces, close. Next, suppose I want to display I. See, it will display 1 to 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, some normal statements 8 to 10. See, condition blocks. Next, loop block. Run the program. See, addition of A comma B is 120. Next, A is a big number. It is output of condition block. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is output of loop block. Okay, na Sridevi? A small program. Tomorrow I will explain lengthy program. In tomorrow's program, we will use all maximum Java features. Just a minute. Okay. Today in Java for Selenium tutorial 1, we discussed Java environment setup and verify the Java environment. Next, Java syntax rules. Next, third one, Java program structure with a sample program. See, this is the today's agenda. Any queries? I'm going to close the session. Any queries? Tell me, Madhavi, any queries regarding this?
No, sir,
today's
I'm
class?
good. Thank you.
Welcome. Praveen Rao, any queries?
No, sir, I'm good. Thank you.
Welcome. Prithvipal.
Yes, sir. Sir, we use I only for loop, sir. Concatenate only for loop, right?
Just a minute. I++. This is
Yes,
increment.
Sir, increment, okay, sir.
Increment. See, increment or decrement. Suppose if you want to decrement, suppose I starting value 5, end value 1, I minus, then it will print
Okay.
5 to 1 numbers. What is the I minus? There is a problem for int I equal to 5. Here I greater
Yes.
than or equal to. I greater than or equal to, what is that one? 1. Okay. Observe 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 na.
Yes, sir.
Any other queries?
Increment. No, sir.
Increment or decrement based on your requirement. Okay.
Sir, got it, sir.
Sir, I have a question here. So int I is equal to 5. You put a semicolon inside for a for statement. Inside the for statement.
Pardon?
Int I is equal to 5, right? We put a semicolon, right? For the
int I equal to 5.
Inside the for that structure, do we put a semicolon or?
Yes, that is syntax rule for loop blocks only, for loop only.
Okay.
That is syntax rule. We can't argue why semicolon in for loop. That is syntax rule.
Okay.
Any other queries, Santosh?
No.
Sridevi?
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay. We will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.